Hello, welcome to this channel. I'm Elsha Manulang. I'm from Chemistry Education Study Program 2018. In this course is separation chemistry. We will do an experiment about sublimation of camphor and salt. In this experiment, we will use sublimation process. Before we go to sublimation process, do you know about sublimation? Sublimation is the change in the form of a substance from solid to gas or from gas to solid, which is when the constituent particles of a solid are given a certain temperature increase, then these particles will sublimate into gas. And conversely, if the temperature of the gas is lowered, the gas will immediately change its form to become solid again. Jadi, sublimasi ini adalah perubahan dari bentuk padat ke gas atau sebaliknya gas ke padat, di mana jika pada suhu tinggi, dari padat akan berubah menjadi gas, dan sebaliknya, jika suhunya merendah, maka bentuknya akan berubah dari gas menjadi padat kembali. Then, requirements. The condition for separating the mixture using the sublimation method is that the mixed particle must have a large difference in boiling points so that we can produce steam with a high level of purity. Jadi di sini, kondisi yang baik saat sublimasi adalah saat partikel memiliki titik didih yang besar sehingga dapat memproduksi uap dengan kemurnian yang tinggi. Purposes of sublimation. As for the purposes of sublimation itself, namely, first, to get a pure substance or several pure substances from a mixture is called purification. Second, to determine the presence of substance in a sample called laboratory analysis. And the last, separating iodine from the impurity mixture to get pure iodine. Aparatus atau alat-alat. 1. Scale atau timbangan. 2. Glass atau gelas. 3. Pen atau panci. 4. Pot lid atau tutup. 5. Bowl atau mangkuk. 6. Stove atau kompor. Materials atau bahan-bahan. 1. Salt NaCl 100 grams. 2. Camphor 100 grams C10H16O. 3. 3/4 glass of water H2O. 4. Ice cup atau es batu or the molecular formula is H2O. Procedure atau langkah-langkah kerja. First, you must weigh the salt for 100 grams. Jadi langkah pertama, kamu harus timbang garam 100 gram. The second step, you must weigh the camphor for 100 grams. Jadi di langkah kedua, kamu harus timbang kapur barus sekiranya 100 gram. Third, you must mash the camphor until becomes smooth. Jadi, kamu harus tumbuk kapur barus sampai dia menjadi lembut. The fourth step, pour the 3/4 glass of water into pan, then add 100 grams of salt, and the last you must add 100 grams of camphor. 5. Cover the pan with pot lid on the top of pan. Then, after that, you must place ice cup on the top of pot lid too. Jadi di sini, kamu harus tutup atasnya dengan penutup panci tadi, kemudian di atas penutup panci tadi, kamu letakkan es batu kembali. Then, turn on the stove. Heat that pan slowly. You can see the iodine will evaporate from the bottom of the pan to the underside of the pot lid. Jadi di sini nanti iodine akan menguap, kemudian naik dari bawah ke atas menuju bawah dari tutup panci tadi, kemudian menjadi padat di sana akibat es. Then, take the pot lid. As you can see, there is a crystal that form in the pot lid. Jadi kamu dapat lihat, ada kristal yang terbentuk yaitu kristal iodin di bawahnya dari tutup panci tadi. Last, you must weigh the pot lid that form iodine crystal. Calculation of sublimation. The formula of percent content of iodine is final result per mass total of salt and camphor. Percent content of iodine is 10 grams per 200 grams. Percent content of iodine is 0.05 times 100. Percent content of iodine is 5%. Jadi di sini rumus untuk mencari isi dari kristal iodin, hasil dari timbangan iodin dibagi total dari garam ditambah kapur barus. Jadi tadi timbangannya iodin 10 gram dibagi total 200 gram. Isinya kita dapatkan iodinnya 5%. Thank you and see you in the next video.